Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows ISO file from their official website. Open any browser and search Windows 10 or 11 your wish. My PC requirement doesn't meet for Windows 11, so I am choosing Windows 10. Once you open website, now you have to press F12. Click that small icon, which arrow direction is. Click it and reload the page. Now your screen will be like mobile, and you have to select Multi-Edition ISO. Once you click Confirm, you will now have option to choose your language. Select your language and click Confirm. Now, select which Windows 10 version you want to download, 32-bit or 64-bit. I prefer 64-bit. Once you make your decision, select any bit and click Save, and then downloaded will be started. And that's for all today. Hope you like the video and find easy to understand. If you do, please like and subscribe my channel and comment down any problem.